Carefully Planned is an all-new, simple-to-use, web-based, mobile-friendly platform designed to streamline healthcare action plans. By accessing participant information, such as goals, notes, documents, reviews and comments for parents and careers of children with additional needs and the providers they work with, both in and out of the NDIS system. Let's check it out. Carefully Planned's easy-to-use interface allows users to add profiles and view information on care providers, check progress on complete and upcoming goals, analyze your plan, check reviews, and confidentially view participant medical details within their profile. Carefully Planned gives providers, careers and health professionals the ability to upload and access the participants' documents and communication, allowing them to collaborate and bring complex information together to facilitate the best possible care for better health outcomes. For more information, visit carefullyplanned.com.au or contact support@carefullyplanned.com.au. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.